In this video, we're going to be looking at the Pastor sales letter formula. Now, when I say sales letter formula, the idea here is not that you're writing a piece of sales copy from scratch, but rather that, as Eugene Schwartz said, you are assembling it. You're not writing copy, but you're taking the pieces of a compelling argument to sell what you're selling, and you put them in the right order. Now, the Pastor sales formula comes from a great copywriter and copywriting teacher named Ray Edwards. We're going to dive into his approach in this video. Now, in a moment, I'm actually going to show you how you can speed up the entire copywriting process. But first, let's have a look at the Pastor sales letter formula. Okay, so it is the word Pastor, P-A-S-T-O-R, and P stands for problem typically, or in this case, person, problem, and pain. If you can call out the specific person that you're speaking to, identify the problem, and then identify the pain that they're experiencing, that's what would happen in the opening to your sales letter in the Pastor method. We then move to A, amplifying the consequences of not solving the problem or eliminating the pain that they're experiencing. All right, so first you identify it, then you want to amplify or agitate what they are experiencing and what would happen if they don't fix it. S stands for story, solution, system. These are basically a way of getting to introduce the solution that you have, the way that you're going to address the problem at hand. It's often done using a story and describing the system, the means by which you get to solve the problem. T is transformation and testimony. This is basically a way to use testimonials, but use them in a way that sort of explains how somebody else went through the process of addressing their problem using this method, this solution. And so you want to talk in their testimonial or describing a case study as if you were explaining their transformation. That is the T. Now, O stands for the offer. Now, you see I wrote 80-20 here because the way that Ray Edwards speaks about making an offer, he emphasizes the importance of transformation. First, we talked about transformation in the T phase. That was up above here. And then we talk about transformation as if we are demonstrating to the prospect, the person reading this or watching the video version of this, how they could transform. You want a lopsided, sort of approach here where you are focusing 80% of your offer on talking about the transformation that they're going to experience. And then 20% would be the actual offer itself, the nuts and bolts of what it is that you are selling. And then finally, R, response. Now, this is a piece of copywriting that a lot of people are very weak on, and Ray Edwards wants you to emphasize the importance of asking for the sale, soliciting or eliciting a response from the reader. So once you have given them the offer, then you can say, well, you have two choices. You can close this up and go about your day, or you can respond to what I have just shown you. And so that's the entire process, Pastor. Now, as I promised earlier, I want to show you how you can speed up the copywriting process. And the best way I know how to do it is by utilizing templates or a tool like Automatic Script. This is a copywriting tool that's online that is a very streamlined process to be able to generate solid copy that you can then improve upon after you've gone through the process of using the software. Here's how it works. As simple as 1, 2, 3, just like the script that we just looked at or the formula that we just looked at. Here's how Automatic Script works. Step 1, you select the type of script that you'd like to create. Step 2, you answer a series of questions that will form the basis for the copy that you're creating. And then step 3, you generate the copy and you edit it for clarity or you improve upon the content. Now, it doesn't just do sales letters. It does a ton of stuff, including email sequences, individual emails, ads for Google and Facebook, headlines. You can even create info products, content for opt-in pages, order bumps, phone sales scripts, testimonials, upsells, video sales letters, webinars, and also the promotion around webinars. Now, there are two different options when it comes to automatic script. I use the enterprise level because there's a lot more content in there. There's a ton of different variations on emails and on sales letters, and I think ultimately there's much greater value if you are producing this sort of sales content on an ongoing basis. If you get the enterprise level through my referral link, I'm actually going to give you an exclusive bonus. You can choose from one of my products, which include templates for emails, a sales copy course, a social media marketing course, and a heck of a lot more. You can get all of the details about this by clicking the link under this video and checking out Automatic Script. Oh, hey, before you go, if you like the video, hit the like button. And if you got a comment, please leave one. And finally, don't forget to subscribe.